Look at this thing, 1,001 horsepower, 3 electric motors, and a naturally aspirated V12 that screams to a 9,500 RPM redline. Everyone said the hybrid era was going to ruin the soul of the supercar, but looking at this 2027 Lamborghini Revuelto, yeah, they were completely dead wrong. Let's talk about this design. Starting up front with those massive Y-shaped daytime running lights, it looks like a stealth fighter that somehow got a license plate. Lamborghini didn't soften their edges for the electric age. If anything, they made them sharper. Those front intakes feed cold air directly to the dual electric motors driving the front axle. Moving down the side profile, you've got these stunning forged wheels, 20 inches up front, 21 in the back, wrapped in sticky Bridgestone Potenza sport tires. But the real theater happens when you walk up to it. Up go the scissor doors, a tradition going straight back to the Countach. Step around to the back because this is what you really came to see. Lamborghini completely exposed the engine. No heavy glass cover, no plastic shrouds, just that glorious 6.5-liter V12 sitting out in the open air like a masterpiece. It makes 814 horsepower on its own, naturally aspirated, before the hybrid system even kicks in. Check out where the exhaust exits. They moved those massive hexagonal pipes all the way up between the taillights. It keeps the exhaust path short, but also frees up the lower bumper for this utterly massive rear diffuser. The aero downforce is drastically improved over the old Aventador. If you're enjoying this walk-around and love high-end exotics, do me a quick favor and hit subscribe. We're tracking down the craziest cars in the world, and you seriously don't want to miss what we've got coming up next. Alright, let's jump inside. You've still got that signature fighter jet cockpit feel, but the tech is finally up to date. You get 3 screens now. There's a crisp 12.3-inch driver display, an 8.4-inch center screen, and a 9.1-inch screen right in front of the passenger. Your co-pilot can sit there and watch exactly how fast you're going. In the center console, some things never change. You still have that iconic red missile launcher flap. Flip it up, hit start, and that V12 barks to life. Because this is a plug-in hybrid with a 3.8 kilowatt-hour battery pack, you can drive it about 5 miles on electric power. But let's be real, absolutely nobody is buying a flagship Lambo to hypermile. You buy this for the absolute violence it unleashes. Lamborghini officially claims 0 to 62 in 2.5 seconds, and independent testing has actually landed right around that mark too. Edmunds clocked it at 2.6 seconds to 60. That is still face-melting acceleration for a nearly 2-ton car, launching you to a top speed of 217 miles per hour. With a new 8-speed dual-clutch transmission mounted behind the engine, it shifts faster and balances its weight far better than any big Lambo before it. Drop a comment below. If you had 610 grand to spend on a supercar today, are you taking this Revuelto or a Ferrari SF90? Let me know.